Shazam! Pizza time.
Hey there everyone. What if I told you that the world's biggest pizza company is actually not a pizza company, but a tech company that happens to sell pizza? I'm going to explain how. Domino's transformed itself into a tech-driven powerhouse. You know them for their delicious pizza, but what you might not know is the insane amount of technology this company uses into getting that pizza right to your doorstep. Today, we're going to break down how Domino's went from a traditional pizza joint to a tech-savvy innovator. Before we start though, I just wanted to share that I am by no means promoting Domino's in any way. This video is simply to take a look at some of innovative ways Domino's has climbed the ladder of success. So let's get into it. Imagine this scenario. It's late, you're craving some pizza, but the thought of calling in, navigating a phone menu, and spelling out your address just feels like too much effort. You're tired, hungry, and the last thing you want to do is deal with the hassle of a phone call. We've all been there, right? That moment when convenience is key and the traditional way just doesn't cut it anymore. Domino's saw this pain point and decided to attack it head-on with technology. They knew that in a fast-paced world, people needed a faster, easier way to get their pizza fix. They went all in on digital ordering, creating one of the most user-friendly online platforms in the game. Their website made it simple to order your favorite pizza just with a few clicks. But they didn't stop there. They knew that the future was mobile. They took it a step further with their mobile application, which, let's be real, is crazy convenient. You can browse the menu, customize your pizza, and place your order all from your phone. It's like having a personal pizza assistant. You can customize your order down to the crust, track its journey with GPS, and pay directly through the app. They even introduced voice ordering, just when you thought it couldn't get any easier. Yeah, you heard that right. You can literally just tell your smart speaker what kind of pizza you want, and boom, it's on its way. Now, let's have a look at this from a numbers perspective. In the United States, the company generated more than 85% of retail sales through its digital channels. That's roughly about $7 billion. That's pretty impressive, right? Now, let's talk about what happens after you hit that order button. Domino's isn't just throwing dough in the air and hoping for the best. Behind the scenes, Domino's uses advanced algorithms to manage its supply chain. This helps the company predict how much cheese, dough, and other ingredients it will need at each store, minimizing waste and keeping costs down. In some cases, Domino's is experimenting with automation in the kitchen and delivery. For example, in Australia, they introduced the DOM pizza checker, which is a machine that checks if pizzas are made correctly before they're boxed, using AI, ensuring quality and speeding up the entire process. And the tech doesn't stop at the kitchen door. It continues all the way to your doorstep. Remember that GPS tracking I mentioned earlier? Well, that's not just for show, it's a crucial part of their delivery system. Domino's has integrated GPS into their delivery system, allowing them to optimize routes, reduce delivery times, and get that pizza to you while it's piping hot. They're even experimenting with autonomous delivery vehicles and drones. These futuristic vehicles could revolutionize the way we receive our food. Yeah, you might have a robot bringing you your pizza in the future. Imagine opening your door to find a robot waiting with your order. Pretty cool, right? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Are you telling me Domino's is collecting my data? And the answer is yes, but that's also true for any app out there. We covered this in a separate video. Be sure to check it out if you'd like. Domino's' every online order, customer interaction, and delivery is tracked and analyzed to improve their services and increase profits. Think about it. Every time when you order a pizza, you're giving them valuable information about your preferences. This helps them understand you better. They know what kind of crust you like, what toppings you prefer, and even how often you order. This data is like a goldmine for them. This data is used to recommend new menu items you might enjoy based on your past orders and preferences, and even offer you special deals. These deals are often tailored to your tastes, making them hard to resist. But it goes beyond just individual preferences. Domino's is looking at the bigger picture. Domino's analyzes data on a larger scale to identify trends, predict demand, and understand what customers want. It also helps Domino's optimize their store locations. This means that they can open a new store where they're needed the most. This data-driven approach allows them to be more efficient reduce waste, and streamline their operations, and ultimately offer you a better product at a better price. Domino's understands that in today's world, it's not enough to just make great pizza, but you also have to connect with your customers on a deeper level. And how do you do that? Through constant tech innovation. They're active on social media, engaging with their customers, responding to their feedback, and even running creative marketing campaigns. Remember that whole tweet to order thing? That was Domino's. Although it received mixed responses, the company does not shy away from innovating. They've also embraced new technologies like augmented reality and voice assistants to create fun and interactive experiences for their customers. Domino's is constantly exploring new ways to use technology to connect with their audience, build brand loyalty, and stay ahead of the curve. The future of pizza is tech. So there you have it. Domino's is a tech company which happens to sell pizza. They've fully embraced technology, using it to revolutionize every aspect of their business, from how you order your pizza to how it's made, delivered, and even marketed. Domino's is constantly innovating and exploring new ways to use technology to improve their product and their customer experience. Who knows what the future holds, but one thing's for sure is that Domino's certainly has positioned itself at the forefront of the pizza tech revolution. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing, keep learning.